So welcome students. So in this question you're asked to find the area between the curves y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. So we know that these are two parabolas. The first is a horizontal parabola, y square is equal to 4x, and the second is a vertical parabola. And this is the area enclosed between these two curves. You're asked to find the area of this region. So again a very straightforward question. This area can be found out by integrating upper curve minus lower curve between 0 and the point of intersection. So 0 to a, upper curve minus lower curve. So first you need to find this value of a, that is the x coordinate of the point of intersection. So let us first find that. So to find the point of intersection, so let us equate x's. So let us eliminate y. So from here y is x square by 4. So I'll put y is equal to x square by 4 here. X square by 4 whole square is equal to 4x. Y is x square by 4 whole square is equal to 4x. So x power 4 is equal to 4 square into 4 cube times x. So 1x gets cancelled because x is equal to 0 is the solution. That corresponds to x is equal to 0. The next solution corresponds to x cube is equal to 4 cube. X is equal to 4. So this value is equal to 4. So now once you have this value, area is equal to integration 0 to 4. Upper curve is the horizontal curve, which is this. So y is equal to 2 root x. 2 root x minus this y is x square by 4. X square by 4 dx. That is equal to 2 times root x. The integration is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 this. So minus x square by 4, the integration is x 1 by 4 times x cube by 3 from 0 to 4. So if you take the first one is equal to 4 by 3 times x power 3 by 2. 4 power 3 by 2 is 8. So 4 by 3 times 8 minus 1 by 12 times 4 cube is 64. That is equal to 32 by 3 minus, so if I cancel 4 3s are 4 16s are. So 16 by 3, that is equal to 16 by 3 square units. 16 by 3 square units. Thank you.